Next question. Resistors in series and parallel. From first lesson already you know that one, capacitor in series and capacitor in parallel. Here resistors. Resistance means restrict the current. That instrument is called resistor. The symbol of resistor is zigzag path like this shape. This is the symbol of resistors R. So now the resistor connect in series connection. 3 mark question. You see R1, R2, R3, 3 resistors connected in series. Series means continually is coming. Continue. One battery is connected plus minus. The current always moving from positive to negative. R1, R2 be the resistors of the 3 resistors connected in the series. Let V be the potential difference applied across the combination. Here very important. The resistance connected in series, the current through each resistors will be same. The current in all resistors are same. So each resistor will be same, but potential difference across the different resistors will be the different. So only potential only will change. V1, V2, V3. Suppose another resistors means V4. Like that it will change. So potential only change, current no change. So here potential change means here is a total potential. This potential is splitted V1, V2, V3. So total potential is equal to sum of V1 plus V2 plus V3. By Ohm's law, you know that one V is equal to IR. So V only changing. So you take V is equal to IRS. S means series connection. That's all. So IRS. So here want to find V1. So V1 means what? IR1. IR1. The I no change. So no need to put 1. V2 means IR2. V3 means IR3. Because I no change. So only I. There is no 1, 2, 3. But R1, R2, R3 is a different resistors, and V1, V2, V3 also is a potential difference in each resistors. So now substitute the equation 1. So V1, V2, V3 value substitute. We also you know that one IRS. S means series. So IRS is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. So I is common, take outside. I cancel. So RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It means R2 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So the equivalent resistance, equivalence means total. The equivalent resistance is the sum of the, sum means plus, sum of the individual resistance. This is a 2 mark question. The sum of the individual resistance. This is a definition for series connection. So total you have to write, you will get 3 mark. 3 mark question. So total resistance RS is equal to equivalent resistance is sum of the individual resistance. Now, next resistors connected in parallel. So 3 mark question. R1, R2, R3 be the resistors in the 3 resistors connected in the parallel. Parallel means what? You see the current is splitted. It's a junction. When a current moving from positive to negative, up to here there is no change, but here the current will splitted 2 ways. Here also splitted, here also splitted. So it means the current splitted means that resistors are parallel connections. A series is not like that. See, when a current passing through the 3 resistors are same, because there is no junction, another way is not there. So it will moving any one direction only. But here you see the current changing. Here it will change. Here one current, here will change. Again it will come like this, like this. So it is a change means the parallel connection R1, R3 on potential V. Here small changes is that the potential difference across each resistance will be the same. Here potential is same, but current flows through the different resistors will be different. So here current only changing I1, I2, I3, but the total potential is always same. Here potential same, current same, potential difference will be different. But here the potential difference same, but current what? Different. So I1, I2, I3 currently. So you know the formula for Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, but current only here changing. So I is equal to V by R you take. So in parallel connection, I is equal to V by RP. RP means parallel resistance, RP. So I is equal to V by Rp. Now I1 current want to find means V by R1 because of first resistance. V no change, so no need to put 1. I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to V by R3. Like this will go. So I1, I2, I3 current substitute in equation total current. Total current is nothing but what? I is equal to sum of the individual current. I1, I2, I3. So I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now I value already you know that one. V by Rp. So substitute here. I is equal to V by Rp is equal to V by R1. I1 value. I2 value V by R2. I3 value V by R3. V is common. Take outside. V cancel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. It means the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance. The reciprocal of the equivalent resistance. Equivalent means total. Equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of the plus sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistors. So this is a very important 3-mark question. This is a resistor in parallel. So here before one topic capacitor in series, capacitor in parallel. See, capacitor in series means 1 by Cs equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So here parallel only will get 1 by Rp, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Don't confuse because this is a capacitor, this only resistors. So capacitor in series means 1 by Cs, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. But in a resistor in series means R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here capacitor in parallel means C1 plus C2 plus 3 adding. But resistor in parallel means 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, 1 by opposite. Don't confuse. Very important 3-mark questions.